My team here, and we agreed that we have to go loud and sample like 7 bars which are notorious in floating the rules, which we actually told them to cross until such a time that this committee of mine will allow them to operate after they have met all the conditions that we set for them. We are happy that out of 7, only 2 and this one, say 3 of them are operating. The other 4 or 5, they have crossed already. So we are happy that they have crossed, and they are not going to open until they meet all the conditions. They will have to fumigate those bars. We did not revoke. First of all, we have suspended. But these people, they qualify to be revoked. So because of avoiding those gray areas whereby they start taking us to court and all that, there is procedure as laid by the County RICA Act. So we are going to follow those steps. And I can assure you, within no time, we will have revoked license for some bus here in Nyeri.